Like this basic shirt, all you have to do is select your color, make a base and press the bucket tool and fill it in. Now you need a neck hole. Click the finger and go to drawing tools and click the circle or square depending on the style you want, then click fill and add it where I put it here. Tank tops are a little harder, so first what you want to do is mark out the front. This time we don't need sleeves. And click on the symmetry tool. That helps us make the sides even. You can make the cut lower or curvy or just keep the top flat, but this is my favorite design. Now for the straps. It doesn't matter if they don't line up exactly, so just take a guess, and if you really don't know, just don't do back straps. It seems like an important step, but it's really just 4 lines. Skirts are actually super easy. All you have to do is make a base and then make the bottom slightly wavy to give it a tennis skirt look. This is optional but recommended. Next is the shading. Make sure this is on a different layer above your base and that you have clicked clipping mask. This makes it that your lines won't go outside the shape of your base. Now we are gonna use moving blur. Click the tick, then use Gaussian blur, then you're done. First, change your brush to blurring brush 1 and make the brush color a darker shade than your base, then go around the edge of the shirt. This should be on a different layer than your base. Get the sleeves too by doing the same in the front. Now to these lines coming from the sides to represent creases in the shirt, giving it a more realistic look. Obviously do the top too, but make sure the lines are longer, but do less lines than the sleeve. Next is the blurring. It's the exact same as the skirt, but you might want to adjust the settings as these creases don't have to be that dark. Lower the brightness of the shading if it's too dark for you, then you're done. This method can be used for pants and short shirts too. For jeans, make sure you have the base already made, then go look for a pair of jeans on Pinterest or Google, save the image and import it. Size match it and erase the extra white pieces, then fill in the sides and the back with a blue color or fill it in with the jeans material by importing the image and moving it to the sides.